you're rubbing on that. Jack, what are we doing with this in the workshop again?
Rolling back in the workshop. The front tyres are too big. They're no longer rubbing on here because we've raised it up. The boys raised it up for me, as you see previously. But we are rubbing on the very, very last turn on full lock and obviously opposite lock on either side of the wheel arch liner. So we're going to have to drop down. I was trying to look for some 255 30s. So that means we go from 35 to 30 and from 265 to 255. I couldn't find any at all. So I've had to go back to the original size of 245, 35 20s, but in Michelin Cup 2s. So I'm hoping it's still going to be better sidewall, but in theory, I think I'm going to want to go to 255 to make it look right. So we're going back to stock size, but in Cup 2s. So the rears work really well, but I need to try and find some 255s to see if I can get that working.
One more thing we've got, the gap in between there, you can see I can get comfortably 2 fingers in. When we come around this side, we need to go up a little bit more. So this is what we've been finding now, because you're not just dropping it right down to the bottom of the links and you're having to leave the thread on, you got a little bit of playing on trying to measure in there. So we know it's got to come up a few turns, so the wheel off both sides, and then we are going to raise this side up a little bit more, which means we've got to compress the whole thing again, but we're experts at that now.